Nogo semeri kwanu mwanju muriro Ndizi TV andonsio berete ni goendete gutwara ritiko ligia nande litoereru ekerongo kwaria ni asemeza yamangana maya ye Chinsa Isano na Ibere ekerono je Chinsa jo chiaragire ni ritiko lia Jumaine ritiko ne lia Jumaine chitarigi 11 mutenyi okane umwaka w'igirubere ne 20 ni satego ne ri bari abantu kwariania kotebina kabamo na injiri umanya ali agandete gwatika ime na isiko ya Gusii kurujingo konye jenze irianyi moja sugusu amo nabosongo dorogina na mangandete okorekana ime na isiko ya Gusii ekeromura ibwense ara Samagaja Kenya International Conference Center anekero agendete gukwanda obokoreri bw'ekiwisara awo anaso mwaka w'igirubere na mwaka 2021 no mwaka w'igirubere ne 2022 ali asomoji o Nairobi anenekeranya areka okwanda iguru yoko nyorwa kwemesara yabakori emirimo ube serikali boigo ntwarana obomo bwa Kenya kwanza nigo bono bwanyarebo kubwatuka amaliye 52 ayo agochi koba gati yabali bajukumirana no maburi bwa simiro moja rikurireri ali agendete okorekana asense yeito ya Kenya boigo mugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati tuko leo nanyaraka wikerana ase enyagitari ya Kisii teaching and development anene asenge ndugo se mochari erigo kwanda bokorari ubo machikorekana na bwaturubana ase enseme yungati yana kwarianiria senjera yoko yachuta ase Chinsa jiga ko kubori obenenje goikomweri karoto kubwatera na chosho Auta korwa sensemeri yomunube manyererio John Kebati nerore producer ita semo gasobono igokaba munentwe goikomweri eriane Brighton Makori. Asoko ya chaka bono yoto ya korwase county ya Kisii asomugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati anyaraka wikerana ase ensemeri ya Kisii teaching levaro ostro anene ase mocheli eyo osengendu ya Kisii teaching levaro anene kubatikana namangana anyaraka kuranda ase emitandao obokoreri bwabo bobe ase nyagitari teturarora na kimugabana aika sensemeyu ende makota igojibosyo ngikyagendera asensemeyu
Obadia hawa zi wawili hawaingii kwa mochari officer yes hawa zi wawili wataenda nyumbani leo saa hizi tu hawa wawili na wasiingie kwa mochari. I'm replacing some people to take charge of the mochari. Hiyo biashara tumeisha. Mheshimiwa alipigia wewe simu kama hata hukujua kwamba ni yeye. Kaongelesha yeye mpaka alipokuambia unaambia unaamka asubuhi hata unalala hata mili ikija yes. How can you put three bodies together? Mnatoa watu hospitalini mzee Umari. Mnatoa hospitalini mtu amekufa mnaweka na yeye na nguo zote na kila kitu ndani. Hata waliokufa wanahitaji heshima. The two of you tafadhali enda nyumbani. Rudisha zile vitu mko nazo za mochari. Mwende. Officers, hawaze tafadhali waondoke. And they take charge. Yeah. Enda na wao. Let them leave.
Oyo bono numugabana we county ya Kisii Paul Simbarati anene kerbona nyaraga kubatumaka abo konye ba koremeremo asengendwe yo ya Kisii teaching and development anene kerba rekanabuna mbanyara ba okora obokorari bwabo obuyabono nigaterune serikali ye county ya Kisii nigo yabikire miroberi ya bene kwene kino obokorari ngwiranira bora asenya gitari yo asaderuna ere ase serikali yani gabikire miroberi miya gochiase obokorari bwensemo yo kwimukyo bochenu asaderuna tago chigokira na koligireri bali batagete ko salia serikali yaye anasensemo yo bochenu.
The national security personnel who are here, our security are here to escort out those gentlemen before they switch again another machine. You know, they can easily go in and switch off. Therefore, that's why I'm asking the police officers, they go in, make sure they are out. Daktari, make sure watu wanabeba mizigo yao wanaenda. Hakuna biashara tunapembelezana na wao hapa. Let them go. They can be employed elsewhere. They have been even stealing formalin. Ile dawa ya kuweka, there is another person who was arrested here. Alikuwa naiba dawa ya kuweka mili, sasa shida wanapeleka mpaka body bags. Lakini nadhania huyo mlituma yeye nyumbani. Yeah. Lakini mliacha the mizizi ndio hii because they were collaborating. Therefore, the whole team must go. Walipwe waende ama vipi?
Azechinga kiecho acting CEO Oimeke Marita oye orase nyagitari ya Kisii tujigana farosto nereniga aenekeire abamenyi be county ya Kisii buni nyagitari iyo nigo bono yairanirira bokorari bwayo buya asate nimero biri iyo aneno mugabana anyaraka okwana gwikijiho ikerana asinyagitari iyo.
Teaching and referral hospital. As you all know, KTRH is a primary institution serving 8 counties within the Lake Region Economic Bloc. Our vision is very clear to offer, to be a center of excellence in healthcare service delivery in the region. And that is achieved through quality services, through research. We are all gathered today here because of the recent happening. In the last 3-4 days, there was an uproar about the status of our mortuary. Our intelligence that we have been doing since that time has pointed towards what I would call sabotage that was intentional to try and show our governor to be inefficient. However, we have taken that negative publicity positively, and we have started putting changes that are going to make a big difference starting today. So therefore, just to reassure our customers that the mortuary is back to its normalcy.
Ekerobono tudigaretase county ya Kisii abobisa kwerwase Kisii County Public Service Board nigo bono bagenderete kotegererwa nebunge ye county ya Kisii anene komanya obokorori bwabo ase county ya Kisii anene kero baranyarire bakoba emirimo ase obokorori bwe county ya Kisii nigo bono baganyete kotegererwa na koringoriwa osembaji kotegara koba obisi gosembaji wa kusiko igikare kikenderete asamagajo yebunge ye county ya Kisii bono roja sibicha jao ekine gikare kikenderete ase TV yao ekine chibicha chigenderete chigikare kyo ase bunge yo ya Kisii konende teturayunga kibanyara ba okwana ekereke kikare kyo kegenderete.
Paragraph 37.5. Joyce Kochir Nyangate, mentioned in paragraph 37.6. Cyrus Jagi Nyaga, mentioned in paragraph 37.7. Multiple Nyangute, mentioned in paragraph 37.8. Daniel Mugembo Makuto, mentioned in paragraph.
Obomo obwa Kenya kwanza ni gobono litukurero banyara bakumirana asamaga state house litukurero anekero banyara bakubwatuka marieta y'abantu batano na babiri abo bagojigo ikaranza na bali bazimyoro moja wa Kenya iri gukwanira anene ali magani ali obombo azimyoro moja wa nyadero gosokya na batabuna nga Chinsa ya Kenya takire gosuka gojibosika okwana oyore murai wa bange asebunge kimani ichungwa yanyareka batabuna barabo nigo betiria marieta ayo nande nigo bagochi gotumeka parliament gosebunge kugaya na mangana ali alengetense ya Kenya.
The parliamentary group agreed with the President on the need to govern the country in accordance with the Constitution and the rule of law. 2, appreciating that the Constitution of Kenya gives Parliament the singular mandate of resolving all issues that are of concern to the people of Kenya. The parliamentary group meeting agreed with the President on a parliamentary bipartisan approach in resolving such matters. Consequently, the PG nominates the following members to lead our team in this process. 1, the Honorable Boni Khalwale, Senator Kakamega. 2, the Honorable George Murugara, the Member of Parliament, Tharaka. 3, Honorable Senator S.C. Okenyuri, nominated Senator. 4, the Honorable Mwengi Mutuse, Member of Parliament, Kibwezi West. 5, the Honorable Lydia Haika, Women Representative, Taita Taveta. 6, the Honorable Senator Hilary Sigei, Senator Bomet County. And 7, the Honorable Adan Keinan, MP Eldas. The parliamentary group reaffirms our commitment to the rule of law and constitutionalism and appreciates the role of the opposition to oversight and criticize government.
Asensemo ya yamo seneta bwe county ya Kericho Aronchio Jeruyot oyo boigo ole omurai bwabange ase ebungeri senate nigobona teruna mpago chi uwanja obomo bwasimio ro moja wa Kenya osekereri usikutaka kwirania serikali ya Kenya Kwanza magega.
We affirm our support to the efforts made by this government on policies that are geared towards stabilizing our economy, lowering the cost of living, creating jobs and incomes for majority of our people, and ensuring inclusive growth, because that is a contract that the Kenya Kwanza Alliance signed with the people of Kenya. As a PG also, we resist the attempts by the opposition to force or blackmail the government to implement failed policies of the last regime that drove the country into economic mess, including the corruption-ridden consumption subsidies, irresponsible borrowing, and gross fiscal mismanagement through the state capture. We particularly support the government's policy of subsidizing production rather than consumption and the prudent fiscal management within a framework of managed debt levels. We are not refusing to take advice. We will listen to every Kenyan, but we find it rather difficult to take advice from the very people that put us in the mess we are in today.
Magiga bono yo mubu wa Kenya Kwanza kubwatu kamalieta yuna gukwanira igorona kina barube bangite nigobono murai bwabake aze bunge ye bunge nene ubiyo wandanyi boigo oire omubunge bwebunge ya ugunja anyarire kako kwana na gotebuna nigo yarenge sekererio ekero obomo bwa Kenya Kwanza bwagenda State House iri kubwatu kamalieta yo asina baroba deruna bwangoiga kwenda bale State House na baroba bwatu kamalieta andi.
They are continuing the bad habit of holding parliamentary group meetings in State House, which is you know, a public utility. Next time we want to hold our meeting, our PG there also. May want, okay, if that's now the trend. But then we have had them. First, we have seen they have appointed a 7-member team to join our team in the negotiations. Fair enough. But we are totally surprised and stunned at the fact that they have brazenly appointed in their team a member from the Azimio la Umoja coalition, the Honorable Aden Kainan. As far as we are concerned, Honorable Aden Kainan is a member of the Jubilee Party, which is an affiliate party of the Azimio la Umoja One Kenya coalition. Yet, the idea of killing political parties is one of the issues we want to address through that bipartisan process.
Boigo obiyo wandanyi nigo amojiri omu wa Kenya Kwanza nene asa malita banyaraba kubatuka asayare kanabuna eliete limo nigo lirekuru ase umubunge ole asa umubuli bwa simiora umoja wa Kenya.
We have also seen they have appointed Mwangi Mtusi, who is a member of the Maendeleo chapter. Both Maendeleo chapter and Jubilee Party remain legally members of the new coalition. Okay? So already they are starting this process on the wrong foot. They are already demonstrating utmost bad faith and lack of goodwill in the manner they are going about appointing members to their team for negotiations. You cannot have your cake and eat it. Honorable Kainan can't belong to Azimio and at the same time belong to Kenya Kwanza. You know that. Even if you say, for instance,
abono nongo ikomweri wa mangana itu Amayia ya Chinsa Isano Ibere kunde yona chikora ga Chinsa ikomiro kwa nyora yo mona mangi banendete watu kaime na isku ya Gusii ekera bali kibaito bali skali bagendete ko yasangerinde bajiko konsanza marana chika chinkaki echo endukyo go janingeli se county yo ya Kisii go sa sensameri ya Kisii teaching and varosto umugabana ateba buna abande bakari kuibamba kamaryogo yabali ose bali batonyorire karo bakargo kendera renderi enkendweri baganye bachikweni gose yamate yabechikobo ikole ndwanyore na mbaka mariogo nigakoibwa asomugabana naye na inchi to ichanire na kaya mariogo akonya koibwa akoira kole akoirwa kole nda yinto yanyore asobogare kekora gense yamaya bana marwaba karo murikitu ndemo Steven ara sense miyande tutubatiro roboti uruti antirabu otwalenge na Joshua utakurwa sense medium ruba mayerero John Kebati na rorenge producer ito Nigeria ne Brighton Makori.